everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you our final year project Credit AI, an AI powered credit risk assessment and a loan management system built for banks. This system uses a live GBM machine learning model to evaluate loan applications, generate SHAP based explainability reports. It supports multiple user roles too, and also has a fully working AI voice assistant powered by Gemini. So let's dive in. The system has three roles. It's either a bank employee or the user, loan officer, and admin. Each of the role has completely different portals and different set of permissions. So let me first take you to the bank employee, where this is the person at the bank who collects customer details and submits the loan application on his behalf if needed, or else the user can also do the same. So now let's go in. So now, as you can see, this is the bank employee dashboard here. It shows total submissions, auto approved, auto rejected, pending applications, which are approved and which are removed, rejected. So now, let's try applying for an individual loan. So once you go here, you can submit a payslip, which gets the applicant's name, his annual income, and then based on that, we can just see or check how much loan amount he wants, and we have to enter the rest of the details accordingly. So yes. So as you can see here, we have got this. So now let's enter the other details. So now we have entered all the details. Let's click submit and see what happens. Okay, I hope you guys are ready. So this is just a confirmation so that the person who is doing this, he gets gist of what he has done, and if he has any change, he can just go back and do the changes. It will be helpful for him too. So yes, we have actually entered a total of 11 features. You can see it on your screen. These are the exact features the light GPM model was trained on. So yes, let's submit. So now the moment I submit, the application is sent to the backend where the ML model scores it, and within seconds we get a decision. Let's see what it says. Just wait for a few seconds. So yes, here this is a so now it's done. So we go back to the dashboard, and you can see here this is the one which we applied now. Okay, so yes, now let's just go and go to the loan officer dashboard now. Okay, so that how there you will see what happens. So we'll sign out. applied for, we got its AI score, its probability of default, what's the AI decision, and the final status. So here we have kept a human touch too, so that because we cannot depend on AI like 100%. So in order to have a human and AI collaboration kind of thing, we have brought in both of them. So at the last, whatever the human says, that's what is going to happen at the end of the day. So yes, let's go to this application. Here is what the loan officer can view. What is his scores, what his details are, and now here. So now one of the key things of our Red AI application is we have a sharp explainability, which generates the explanation, gives a waterfall chart on how the scores and how the scores are being influenced by the features. So I'll show you that. So once we do this, we have to click this and yeah, give us a minute or so. So now as you can see here, we have got a waterfall chart which shows exactly which features push the score up and which pulled it down. You can see that a strong credit history is here. Okay, we have a stable employment which has also pushed the score a little bit higher. Moreover, the evolving utilization has also positively impacted the score. Just open accounts which was around 18 might have a little impact but not a huge impact on the score. So yeah, this is what the waterfall chart says. And now we have a reasoning for each and every feature and how it has influenced the score. As I said before, this is an explanation in order for the loan officer to understand why it the score has either come this high or this low. So as you can see here, we have this. It says reduces risk, most of because this is high score. It says the risk are less in each and everything. So yes, this is how it is, and only this says an increase in risk. So next here is the analysis report. It's just an summary of everything. If you want, you can download this PDF as PDF too. So it just says about the annual income, loan amount, DTI ratio, revolving utilization, and just like that for a report. If you want, we can send this report to the person who has applied for loan for him to understand why his score has come less and what he can do to improve it. Okay, so this is how the system works. One is yes. So this is the loan officer portal that you can see all the applications and then based on what he thinks he can do it, he can say approve. We have also an override AI decision. If he says you have to in this application, let's say he has 18 open accounts, which is probably too high, but our model was trained, so we had a value. Let's say he says you have a lot of open accounts, you have to make them less. So at that time, he can write it here, and then he can say confirm, reject, press this, and just say confirm, reject. Write just a minimum number of 10 characters. You can write anything, or maximum how much you want. You can say why and what this can be done to improve the application. So yes, this is how it works. And then we have a voice assistant too here in the side here, as you can see. So let me show you one of the most unique features now in the voice assistant. It actually listens and responds in real time. So let me show you that. Hopefully it works. So now, so here we say it, and then based on that, it says and responds to us back. So yeah. Okay, one second. Show you how the voice assistant works. Can you explain the current application?
Certainly. You are viewing application number 4 for Alexander Hughes, an individual employee. The AI decision is auto-approve with a low probability of default at 7.62% and a credit score of 9.99. The applicant is 35 years old, has 15 years of employment history, and a substantial annual income of $150,000. Their debt-to-income and revolving utilization rates are extremely low at 0.05% each. There are no delinquencies or public records.
Okay, so now what will happen if the annual income is decreased to $40,000?
A significant decrease in annual income to $40,000 would likely increase the probability of default. While the applicant has excellent debt-to-income and utilization rates, a drop from $150,000 could significantly impact the AI's assessment and potentially change the auto-approve decision.
Thank you. So okay, now after everything is done, the voice assistant, the details, and once the loan officer gets a belief that okay, you can approve him, you have to go there. You can go back here. You can see the applications. All he has to do is just press confirm and confirm, and then
Decision confirmed. Alexander Hughes employee's application has been approved.
that is the confirmation from the AI voice assistant. Thank you all. Same applies for the corporate. You can click on corporate, apply, come here, decide. So this is how the application works. Explanation is done by Shap. So I hope you have understood this project and you have seen the potential. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.